Are you ready to be amazed by some of the latest and most incredible woodworking equipment on the market? Look no further, because in this video, we'll be showcasing some of the most innovative and groundbreaking tools that you may have never seen before. From powerful wood chippers to versatile firewood processors and everything in between, these machines are designed to take your woodworking skills to the next level. So get ready to witness some of the most incredible woodworking equipment that you haven't seen yet. Please like and share this video, and also subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date. Let's dive in. Introducing the Blac Splitter S1, a hydraulic system that serves as a versatile multi-purpose tool for equipment such as excavators and loaders. Its cone tip can efficiently split even large pieces of firewood, and it is also compatible with a range of other attachments, including drill bits with diameters of 300, 400, or 500 millimeters, earth drills for excavation work, screening baskets, steel, brushes, clamps, and more. All of these attachments are mounted on the same base, allowing for easy and quick modification of the excavator for different tasks. The cost of the S1 is $2,790. Moving on, we have the POSCH Autosplit, a versatile log splitter that can produce both kindling and regular firewood. The manufacturer offers several versions of this machine, and even the compact Autosplit 250 has a remarkable output capacity of approximately 2 cubic meters per hour. The log splitter can easily handle logs that are up to 42 centimeters long and have a diameter of 250 to 370 millimeters. The splitting wedge's shape and the capacity of the splitter vary depending on the model. Moreover, there are handy trays available for efficient product bagging, and an oil cooler is included for extended, uninterrupted operation. The EcoLog 500 series, which is put together in Sweden, is an excellent tool for obtaining the necessary materials to create tables, chairs, and cabinets. It boasts several impressive features such as a Volvo Penta 320 horsepower engine, a cab that can swivel 350 degrees, an 11-meter crane, and 6 wheels on a pendulum suspension. With this machine, you can travel off-road at speeds up to 4 kilometers per hour, and easily adjust the ground clearance and positioning, making it suitable for various types of work. According to Swedish specialists, this equipment enables you to complete your work quickly, securely, and cost-effectively. The JOSS-S sander is a highly advanced sanding machine, which is often preferred by professionals due to its remarkable features. With a powerful motor that rotates at 1720 revolutions per minute, adjustable table tilt ranging from -15 to +45 degrees, and removable sanding spindles that have replaceable sleeves, this sander is an excellent choice for experts. The machine is made in America by a company that is well known for supplying factories all over the country, and it comes at a reasonable price of $1,800. Workers can handle workpieces up to 160 millimeters in height with ease, as the machine has a dust cover under the table, and there is enough space for sleeves and spindles on the base. Moreover, the kit includes 10 spindles and inserts for the table, making it even more useful. The Wallenstein WP525 firewood processor is a highly practical machine featuring several unique capabilities. It includes a universal attachment for chainsaws, has the ability to lift logs, and comes with a factory-installed trailer capable of accommodating logs up to 410 millimeters in diameter, complete with a winch featuring a 15-meter cable. With its user-friendly settings and features such as an adjustable firewood length indicator that can be easily modified without the need for tools, this processor is well equipped for efficient operation. You can choose from 7 colors and camouflage paint schemes to suit your preferences. The starting price for this processor is around $11,000. That concludes our video on some of the most incredible woodworking equipment that you may have never seen before. We hope you enjoyed discovering these innovative machines and were inspired by their capabilities. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. And as always, thank you for watching.